Good morning and firstly festive greeting to all our viewers. But today let's look at the top stocks that you should be keeping on your radar at 9:15 a.m. So let's start with the earnings that have come out. Trent, surely a great set of numbers coming in from this retail company. Revenue is up by 126%. Overall profits, the bottom line, seeing the company has actually swinged into a profit this time versus a loss last year as well, and the operating performance also very strong for the company. The EBITDA is up by 35 times, margins coming in at 21.6% versus merely 1.4% last year as well. So surely a strong set of numbers. Best quarterly ever quarterly revenues reported by the company. The fashion business also is at 91% of trading days versus only 46% in Q1 as well. So strong growth on a quarter-on-quarter basis as well. Improvement in the trading days as well, and the store addition rate has remained quite healthy for the company as well. So keep an eye out on Trent. Moving on, we do have Bharti Airtel also, which reported its numbers. Strong top line growth reported by the company. They've seen good addition in 4G additions as well. Margin is also slightly ahead of expectations. Net profits also higher, but they do have an exceptional item this time around as well. ARPU largely in line with what we were expecting, while tariff price hikes maybe could be driving the stock as well. So let's keep an eye out on Bharti Airtel as well on the back of its numbers. Prince Pipes and Fittings too on focus after the net profits of the company have jumped by around 63% on a year-on-year basis, while the revenues also have risen by 66%. So a good set of numbers coming in from Prince Pipes and Fittings as well in Q2 as well. We do have Easy Trip Planners also, which is in focus. Surely reopening trade does work well for this company as well. And overall, when you look at it, the profits of the company have jumped fourfolds in this quarter. Revenues have seen a strong surge as well, coming in at 43 crores versus just merely 9.9 crores last year. So surely strong set of numbers coming in from the company. Keep an eye out on the trends going forward as well, because reopening trade is something that works for most companies, and there's a lot of revenge travel that is happening as well. So surely keeping the stock in focus and on our radar today especially as well. PSP projects, now on the back of other news flows, could be in focus after the company has actually gotten a letter of acceptance for 2 projects worth around 288 crores, and the total order win has now been around 925 crores this financial year. So surely keep an eye out on that. Moving on, MOIL also in focus after the company is to consider a fully paid equity share buyback on 10th of November. So keep an eye out on that as well. We have Mahindra Finance's Q2 October quarter update coming in as well, where the business has continued its momentum with disbursement is what it's highlighting. It's up by 20% on a year-on-year basis. Even otherwise, October 21 collection efficiency stands at 91% for the company, and the company has witnessed a visible trend of a sequential improvement in stage 2 while stage 3 as well. So surely is seeing gradual improvement. So surely keep an eye out on Mahindra Finance as well. And Tata Steel lastly could be in focus as well after the company's law tribunal has approved a scheme of amalgamation on October 29th. The order was received regarding the composite merger scheme between Bamnipal Steel and Tata Steel BSL as well. So surely keep an eye out on that, and watch out for earnings today. We do have SBI as well as Eicher Motors, which will be in focus as well. So these are the stocks that you should be keeping on your radar at 9:15 a.m.